Hey guys, it's Vlad's Life Squared Up back here, and as you can see there's a Ferrari. I think you didn't catch it, but anyway, I finally got this thing, the Obd Reader Carista from Amazon for 20 bucks. Here's the application. Let me connect the OBD and I'm gonna show you how it works. This thing is a beast, to be honest. Okay, once you connect the OBD, like I just did, it's all the way at the bottom of it here. You probably can't see it, but anyway, connect it. Then I just need to turn the ignition on, so all the lights are on. And now we go to the application. Now we just need the application and we need Bluetooth on because it's gonna connect to the scanner by itself. And we're gonna start coding. So the first thing I'm gonna do, I already went over this app for 2 hours, recorded 3 times and failed, so I'm doing it again. So I did diagnosis. God damn it, my phone keeps connecting to the car. Anyway, we're back. So I just did diagnosis. I got like a bunch of codes. It was 17 of them actually, so most of them were like empty, and it's probably because I just coded my car. There's just a bunch of codes on it. I resetted them. The only one I found was I have a light that's not working for the driver's side in the footwell. So I don't know, I guess somewhere over there's the light bulb that's not working, so I gotta fix that. Anyway, so when you're in the application, just click customize and it's super easy, guys. Trust me, it's super easy, especially like for any BMW. Like just check your car on their website and it'll show you if you can code it or not. And if you buy their OBD scanner, you get a 1 month free trial. And you can use all the pro or advanced settings in this application that I'm going to show you, which is great because I can code anything in the car. The only one thing I couldn't find was the tailgate. For some reason in this application it doesn't have it, or maybe I'm just blind, or it's called something else for my car, which is the X6 E71. But I already had the coding before and I had to basically cancel it or get rid of it because I needed to reset my computer. Update my software in the car. And when I did that, everything just reset to stock. So as you can see, we connected, and here are the tabs of options. I'm gonna start with the bottom. Let's go to other, and you can see here it's like tilt away steering wheel on easy exit and all stuff like that. So let's go to the bottom. Basically the bottom one for other, it's like all the weird settings that you don't really need. I'm just quickly gonna look through to see if there's something useful. It's all about engine here and like just comfortable exit and whatnot, and like wipers. So I'm pretty sure I didn't do anything here, so let's just back out of there. Let's go to lights, and I'm gonna go to the bottom, and here you can like turn off low beams when the engine is on. You can make your headlights blinky when the car is on. It's probably illegal, but you still can. You go to low beam brightness and you put 13.4 volts and just starts blinking like crazy. You look like a police officer in the car. So okay, the thing I did here was let's go up here. I did lane change, turn signal, auto flashing for 5. Oh, there's a fly in my car, god damn it. Yeah, I did this to 5. This, as you can see right here, 5 lane change, turn signal, count to 5. Basically this, when you do it lightly, time count. Before it was 3, so like when you switch lanes on a highway it would be quick, like just 3 times, but 5 I would say is better for me at least. So I just did 5. What else I did here? There's a bunch of options, as you can see. Default this and that. Yeah, that's basically it. I think I disabled daytime running lights as well. I don't know if that's good or not, but yeah. And I'm also running low on the battery, so I'm gonna try to go faster. So here, as you can see, iDrive legal disclaimer on startup. It's very annoying, so I disabled it. Every time basically I start the car, you'd give me a message over here on the screen that not to rely on some bullshit. So I just turned it off. I should probably turn these off, but I'm not sure what they are because it's like camera and navigation disclaimer. I never used navigation and camera, probably for reverse, but I never get those disclaimers, so I don't know what they're talking about. So ding when the key is left in ignition. And also I did show real speed. Show real speed and dashboard was already on. I just put show real speed and perform pre-drive checks when the engine is started, not when it's off. And let's go to the last one, doors and windows. Let's go all the way to the bottom. It's like all these windows and doors and whatnot. Single button press, double button press, power windows, child safety button. What I did was I did door window moving. Basically, you can. But I did delay when auto folding side view mirrors. These mirrors right here. I just did 0. It was like 1.5 default. I did 0 because as soon as I lock it, they just close. So it's just comfortable for me. And over here, auto fold side mirrors. You just turn it on. What else? And some like basic options. You can go through them for your own car, whatever you like. And I also did close windows with long press. And I'm pretty sure open windows with long press, but for some reason open windows don't work. So when I like lock the car or unlock the car, when I lock the car, all the windows close, but when I open it, it doesn't open the windows. So I'm not sure. So yeah, that's basically the whole application for my car X6M. As you can see, I also did the hazard lights double blinking. Let me show you real quick. I forgot to show you that. Oh, here it is, guys. I found it for the hazard lights. It's in lights tab, and you go down to like the middle probably, and here double impulse hazard lights, and I enabled it. And now, as you can see, when I press it, it's like double. And let me show you outside. And as you can see, all the windows are open and the side mirrors are not folded. And once I press on the button once, it's just gonna close, but I want to hold it to make sure the windows close. And as you can see, it works. If I open it, it opens the side mirrors, and if I close it, it just closes the mirrors. So yeah, it's awesome. The only thing I couldn't find, as I said, probably, which was the tailgate. But yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe, leave like and comments below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.